Hello everyone, this is Raji. In association with AKST, today let us learn about some of the functions, intelligence functions like dates in period, dates between, and date at functions. First, let us learn about dates in between function. So, dates between function returns a table that contains a column of dates that begins with a specified start date and continues until a specified end date. Let us see this with an example. Here we have the table as date and time function table. Here we have the sales price. Let us correct it. So this is the sales price. First, let us calculate the total sales and then calculate the total sales for a particular period. For that, right click, add a new measure as total sales equal to sum of from date and time function sales price. Close the bracket, click enter. Our measure is created for total sales. Now let us calculate the total sales for a particular interval of time using dates between function. For this, click a new measure, name it as dates in between function equal to calculate, call the measure total sales, comma, next we have to select the dates. So let us select the dates as first call the function dates between function. In this we have date values in visit date. Date and time function, select the column visit date, comma, select the start date. Let us select the start date as 2017 January 1st, comma, end date as 2017 December 31st. Let us calculate the sales for this period. Click enter. Our measure is created. Now go to the report view and select the table. Select total sales and total sales in between the year 2017, Jan 2017 to December 2017. So this is the total sales in that particular period we have given. So this is how dates between function works. Now let us see the another function, dates in period function. So the dates in period function returns a table that contains a column of dates that begins with a specified start date and continues for the specified number and type of date intervals. So let us see this with an example. Modeling view, create new table. Dates in period. Dates in period equal to calculate calculate total sales, comma, dates in period, date and time function visit date, comma, start date, date 2017, comma, 01 January 1st, comma, we have to give number of intervals, 20 intervals. 28. Click enter. Comma, we have to give date or month day. Click enter. Let's just create this as a measure. Right click, add new measure, dates in period equal to calculate total sales, comma, dates in period, date and time function with date, comma, date, add the date 2017, comma, 01, comma, 01, and number of intervals 20, comma, in day form. You can select day, month, or anything you wish. Click enter. Go to report view and select dates in period. So dates in period, we have the different value. for 20 intervals. We can select here month also. If we select month, let us see the what happens. See, our value is changed. So this is how dates in period function works. Now let us see the another function, date add function. So the date add function, using date add function, we can compute the values from a previous year or previous quarter, a previous month and a previous day. Let us see how. Create a measure here, new measure. Let us calculate previous year sales equal to calculate sum of data from data table sales column, comma, date add, select calendar visit date, comma, if you want previous year we have to select -1. By day or anything you get the result. Go to report view, select table, previous year sale. Let us see the card view. So this is previous year sales. See, let us change. If you want, see, present year sale, we have to keep here 0. Click enter. So here the values are changed. If you want previous year by month, so here we get previous sales by year or quarter or month. Let us select quarter here. Click enter. So this is how we get the sales report. So this is all about date add function. Thank you.